all the way up as loud as you can and make the sound of a cow. Moo! And look at your belly as loud as you can, the sound of a cat. Meow! Now go ahead and shake your doggy tail. Shake your doggy tail. And ready? You're going to lift your doggy tail all the way up to the sky. And now lift the doggy paw up and say, howdy, neighbor. Howdy.